Hello student, today I will explain you various activities and elements and resources impacting in e-commerce. Okay. E-commerce takes place between companies and their customers or between companies and public administration. It includes electronic trading of goods, services and electronic materials. All electronically mediate information exchange between an organization and its external stakeholders are included in the electronic commerce. Activities and elements and resources impacting e-commerce मीन्स ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पेमेंट है. एक्टिविटीज़ जो है ई कॉमर्स में वो फर्स्ट ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग, देन ई पेमेंट, देन वर्चुअल इंटरनेट बैंकिंग, ऑनलाइन ticketing, elements and resource. Okay. सॉरी, फर्स्ट हम एक्टिविटी देखते हैं. तो उसमें मेन एक्टिविटी जो है वो है ऑनलाइन ट्रांजैक्शन, मतलब शॉपिंग. ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग इज़ वन ऑफ द मेजर ई कॉमर्स एक्टिविटीज़. इट shopping of through the internet. Virtual store can be created, and variety of choose are available on the net for companies. Merchandise which could be more than what is available at their physical store. Thus, the investment for online shopping is less. One of the major problems in the online shopping model is for the company to generate traffic on the website. Okay. Then second point is e-payment, means electronic payment. इसमें गूगल पे है, फ़ोन पे आता है, पेटीएम आता है, ऑनलाइन कैश ट्रांसफ़र का ट्रांजैक्शन आता है. द पेमेंट सिस्टम विच इंक्लूड utility bills and payments made for online shopping is an important aspect of e-commerce. Here, what are most important are the security needs which have to be ensured for credit card and personal information. Then internet banking means e-commerce. E-commerce has helped shorten physical visits to banks, as regular banking activities could be done online with the help of secure banking services. Here again, the security and privacy of the customer is very important. And second point is online ticketing, means today all type of ticket can be done online. The same include travel ticketing like air travel, bus and train, and entertainment and sports event. Thus, there is no need of pre-booking an event. Only after one goes to the point physically, booking can be done at home, and one could straight away go the event on the day of the event. Okay. Next point is elements and resources impacting e-commerce and changes. Okay. There are many points or elements which impact the e-commerce. One of them is the trust of the consumer. Johnson and Swap 1982 asserted that the willingness to take risk is one of the characteristics which would help consumers do an online transactions. Okay. Trust is main factor is business to consumer. Okay, so first point is security, then awareness and accessibility. Security means another widely accepted element of e-commerce is the privacy and the security of the user. This is applicable to both the government and industrial organization. The perceptions of risk when it comes to the internet security is a major concern to the experienced and inexperienced user of internet technologies as per the technique. Okay, then awareness and awareness of the latest information system uh, is circular is the use of e-commerce when the customer or consumer uses the online banking services. The net the new knowledge of the new knowledge of customers about the bank's online presence is then for someone to reach the website, it is important for the person to know what the name of the website is. Lack of awareness and knowledge are a great barrier to online banking services and also to the adoption of the e-commerce activities. Also, the user of e-commerce look at easiest of use, compatibility, self-efficiency use of the e-commerce activity, facilitating conditions to use e-government services or system. Okay, then accessibility. The accessibility to the internet is major factor as it is the source of information and services. Thus, a well designed e-commerce website could be in providing the user public information and increase their participation. E-commerce website can serve as a tool for the both communication and relation for the customer and general public. Information and data can easily be shared with and transferred to external stakeholders. The quality of the user's interface is also important in the use of the e-commerce website. Okay, then next point is e-commerce type of e-commerce providers and vendors. Suppliers are critical part of the e-commerce model of business in this whole transaction and dealing with the suppliers. The most important thing is relationship. Thus, through this model, the companies ideally ensuring a better problem-free delivery and an assured supply. Not only this, through online transaction, one can also ensure discount and other preferential treatment. Okay. Type of e-commerce providers and vendors means the supplier of material and part might just want to provide a full range of information, technical support, and manufacturing knowledge and can be effective in the technology know how transfer. There are a set programmer, so website designer of for a website. Business agencies employ customers care customer cares and employees, etc., who are the important part of e-commerce activities. The employee, the manpower has to work 24 by 7, as the website operates all 24 hours in a day. Okay, then organization might not always develop into learning organization. Many a factor brings in this learning change. When the organization grow, they might not have the same capacity to learn as the company structure become right. Thus problem arise and one needs a proposed solution. These solutions are only short term, and this is what one calls single loop learning. Thus the same will remerge in the future for company to go online. Then job evaluation is related with the organization strategy. The type of job evaluation followed will depend on the firm. Here also important is the factor of fairness. In case of evaluation is pursued fair by the individual, then only will they bring in a loyalty to the relationship. Okay. Then one more thing is development of e-commerce business case and the components and factors for the development of the business case. The development of e-commerce business case means that after doing a complete introduction in the expanding world of e-commerce, it is a time to concrete on the real US firm. As it was said in the outline, there are plenty of e commerce business models which could be applied in Europe because of its new way to offer a traditional service. Netflix is the firm chosen. There is nothing similar like this is Europe at all. The aim of the business case is to determine whether the implementation of the business model studied is feasible or not in whether the feasible or not in Spain. This case will be done after introducing Netflix and will be based on four elements: customer, product, company, and competition. At the end, SWOT means strength, weaknesses, opportunity, and threat will be presented as summarizing and support for deciding the viability of Netflix in Spain. Okay. Then components and factors for the development of business case. One is the business consulting and the creativity. Okay. Online marketing is about getting in front of customers every way possible. This can include search, social media, or any other online destination where the firm will be able to attract customers or get in front of them with the message. The process starts by understanding the business and who the customers are. From there, a plan is put together that will hit every channel that will have the most important or most impact on the business. In search, traffic is the most important aspect of what a firm need. One can utilize search optimization or optimizing the campaignings to make sure one is getting the most out of money. The creativity is very important. Push marketing, sale, and traditional for reaching customers are evolving rapidly. In order to get message across, one need outstanding creativity that people love to share and spread around. One requires an entire team of the developers, designers, social media experts that are constantly creating new content and media that people out there love for this purpose. Okay. Next lecture, I will explain you second chapter, इंट्रोडक्शन टू ई मार्केटिंग. अभी हमने देखा इंट्रोडक्शन टू ई कॉमर्स और उसके जो ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन है वो मैं सब चैप्टर्स ख़त्म होने के बाद एक साथ दूँगी. थैंक यू.